Hi! In front of me is OPPO FIND X5 LITE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down right away. Then choose password and security. Now you need to click on lock screen password. Wait 5 seconds and choose continue in the pop-up. Now select one of those options. I will go with maybe numeric. And now create your login method. If you wish to change it, you can always do that by clicking on use a different password type and tapping on the best option for you. For example, I will go with pattern. Either way, you need to enter your login method here and then repeat it. Now, if you wish to add your fingerprint as well, you can do that by choosing add and following all of the instructions. I will go with cancel though. So now, when I go back, turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!